Okay, students, today you're going to be doing some video prompt writing. So we've put together a slideshow, and in it there are some videos. So the first thing you do is you're going to click on a video and let it play, and you're going to watch and listen and pay attention to what the physical features are described in the video, because then you're going to use that in your writing.
Glowworm Cave, New Zealand. New Zealand is one of the most scenic countries in the world, but beyond the peaks of the mountain ranges, the deep valleys, and the glaciers are a series of caves that seem to have come straight from a fairy tale. The reason for this is because they're home to glowworm.
Okay, now you'll be able to watch that whole video you want, but you see how beautiful that picture is. You see how it's like this magical cave because of these glowworms. That's what you need to pay attention to. Look at how pretty it is. Listen to the description of what's going on, all that sort of stuff. And then you're going to use that information to help inspire a story down here. You're going to try to capture the feelings and the visuals of this video in your writing here. And after you complete that, you'll go on and you'll watch another video.
Number 13, Tianxi Mountains.
Okay. So even though these pictures on each video is the same starting picture, they're actually different points of the same video. So when you click on it, you'll see a different location. But these are all real locations on our planet, all around the world, that are amazing. And so we're going to use those today as inspiration for your writing. So have fun, try to come up with some really great descriptions, and just have a good time.